Europeans, Portuguese, Vasco da Gama, first Portuguese traveler, first European to arrive in India in May 1498, discovered sea route via Cape of Good Hope, reached Calicut, made Jammurendi arrival in 1502, established a trading factory in Kannanur, came third time in 1524, died in Cochin, Pedro Pedro Alvarez Cabral, 1500 established first actual Portuguese factory at Calicut. Francisco de Almeida, 1505 से 1509, first governor of Viceroy, gave blue water policy, named naval dominance, not land. Also called peaceful water policy, introduced cartage system, trade under license, focus on controlling Indian Ocean trade. Battle of Diu, 1509, defeated Egypt, Gujarat, Ottoman, Turk combined. Alfonso de Albuquerque, 1509 से 1515, real founder of Portuguese power in India. Captured Goa in 1510 from Yusuf Adil Shah Bijapur. Made Goa capital of Portuguese India. Encouraged intermarriage policy. Abolished sati in Goa. Captured Malacca 1511. Hormuz 1515. Ninod Punha 1529-1538. Shifted capital from Cochin to Goa in 1530. Conquered Bassein and Diu from Bahadur Shah of Gujarat. Important fact: factory storage, not production. Theodore's fortified trading post used as warehouse. Brought first printing press Goa 1556. Architecture Gothic or Baroque style. Agriculture introduced tobacco, cashew, pineapple, papaya, tomato, potato, plus advanced technique in chili cultivation. Discovered Sri Lanka 1505. First factory in India, Cochin 1503. Factory at Santhom, Chennai, southeastern coast. Spread Christianity, Jesuit like Francis Xavier, declined due to corruption. Big navy, rise of Dutch and English. Lost Hooghly to Shahjahan 1632. Salsette Basin to Maratha 1739. Final exit India annexed Goa, Daman, Diu and under Operation Vijay 1661. First to arrive and last to leave. English. First Englishman in India, Thomas Stephens, Jesuit priest. 1599. East India Company established. John Mildenhall, a merchant, reached in India. West Navy because a private company and control of Bengal. 31 December 1600. Royal Charter by Queen Elizabeth, 16-year monopoly, a private joint stock company. 1608. William Hawkins visited Jahangir Court, who gave him title English Khan. Failed to establish a factory due to English opposition. Navy of King James I tried to secure trade privilege, failed initially. English factory. Surat 1608 failed. Masulipatam 1611 temporary factory. Surat 1613 first permanent factory after Captain Beast defeated Portuguese in Battle of Suwali 1612. Director Thomas Aldworth 1615. Sir Thomas Roy, ambassador of James I, got trade concession from Jahangir and established factory across Mughal Empire. Later expansion. Madras 1639. Francis Day, Bombay 1668. G. Ongeville, founder of Bombay, fortified Bengal. Shah Shuja allowed in 1651. Calcutta 1690. Job Charnock at Sultanati. Zamindari of Sultanati Govindpur, Kalikata 1698. Magna Carta. Historian Orm turned of Farrukhsiyar 1770. Duty free trade in Bengal. Dastak coin minted at Bombay, valid throughout Mughal Empire. Dutch Netherlands. Cornelis de Houtman, first Dutch traveller to India. 1696 reached Sumatra. 1602 world first joint stock company to issue public stock. First factory Masulipatam, Andhra Pradesh 1605. Second factory Pulicat 1610. Become Dutch headquarter and built Fort Galdiria. Introduced Pagora gold coin. Introduced base-based labor system replacing commission system. 1653 established a factory at Chinchura, Bengal, building Fort Gustavus. 1658 conquered Nagapattinam, Tamil Nadu from Portuguese and made headquarters in 1690. Battle of Kolachel 1741. Travancore King Martand Verma defeated Dutch in Malabar. Battle of Bidara, British victory. Robert Clive led to decline Dutch power in India. Used Indian cloth to buy species from Indonesia. Danish 1616 arrival of Danes granted by King Christian 14 4. 1620 first factory of Travancore, Tamil Nadu. Fort Dansburg. Second factory Serampur, Bengal. 1618 established Serampur College. 1645 sold all settlement to British. Pioneer in regional language printing, published first Bengali newspaper Samachar Darpan. French 1664 establishment of a French East India Company by J.B. Colbert, Minister of King Louis XIV Government Department. 1668 first factory at Surat, founder Francis Caron. 1669 Markada, a Persian, established second factory at Masulipatam. 1674 acquisition of Pondicherry by Francois Martin, real founder of French influence, first governor of Pondicherry from Sultan of Bijapur, facilitated by Sher Khan Lodi, governor of Balikondapuram. Dupleix, most famous governor, initiated policy of interfering internal politics of Indian princes, first to use disciplined European trained Indian sailors. Pondicherry headquarter, French capital. Chandranagore, Bengal, established 1690, center for trade in silk and opium. Other center Mahe, Karaikalanam, Carnatic war with British, first 1746-48 Battle of Southampton, second 1749 Dupleix was recalled, third 1758-63 Battle of Bandi was 1760 Ayerkut, British defeated Lally French, restricted to Pondicherry etc. and could not fortify it. 1954 French territory integrated into India. Swedish establishment in 1731 in Gothenburg, Sweden by King Frederick I. Primary gold trade with Canton, China for tea, silk, porcelain used India as transit point. Porto Novo, Tamil Nadu, 1733 tried to establish a factory. British and French got united to destroy another competitor. Neutral in British-French War. 1813 company dissolved because charter not renewed.